Finding the perfect grooming kit can save you time, money, and space, but with so many options available, choosing the right one isn't always easy. That's why today's Tech Fact video brings you the top 5 best all-in-one grooming kits in 2026, carefully selected for their performance, durability, versatility, and overall value. Whether you keep a clean shave, shape a stylish beard, or need a complete grooming solution from head to toe, there's a perfect option waiting for you. We'll break down the key features that make each kit worth considering, so you can confidently choose the one that fits your lifestyle. Before we get started, tap the like button, subscribe to Tech Fact, and let us know in the comments which grooming kit catches your attention the most. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 5. Wall Aqua Blade Multigroom Kit. Wall All-in-One Rechargeable Grooming Trimmer. Model 9685-200. The Wall All-in-One Rechargeable Grooming Trimmer Model 9685-200 is a practical grooming kit designed for men who want dependable performance at an affordable price. Its self-sharpening precision blades deliver clean and even trimming for beards, mustaches, sideburns, eyebrows, and unwanted nose or ear hair without frequent maintenance. Multiple guide combs and interchangeable trimming heads make it easy to switch between different grooming tasks, giving you flexibility for everyday styling. The rechargeable battery provides up to 80 minutes of cordless runtime, which is enough for several grooming sessions before needing a recharge. Its lightweight ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making detailed trimming simple and controlled. The washable attachments also help keep maintenance quick and hassle-free. Whether you're maintaining light stubble or creating a well-defined beard, this grooming kit offers reliable performance for everyday use. Its biggest advantage is the combination of self-sharpening blades and versatile interchangeable attachments, allowing one compact device to handle nearly every personal grooming task with consistent precision and convenience. Number 4. Braun All-in-One Series 715-in-1 Grooming Kit. The Braun All-in-One Series 715-in-1 Grooming Kit is designed for men who want one device that can handle nearly every personal grooming task. With a wide selection of attachments, it easily trims your beard, hair, body, ears, and nose while also providing precision detailing for clean finishing touches. Braun's AutoSense technology intelligently adjusts power according to beard thickness, helping maintain smooth and consistent cutting performance without pulling. The sharp lifetime blades stay effective over extended use and require very little maintenance. Its cordless rechargeable battery delivers reliable runtime for complete grooming sessions, while the ergonomic design makes handling comfortable and controlled. Switching attachments is quick, making it convenient for users who regularly change grooming styles. Whether creating a fresh fade or maintaining a neat beard, this kit performs confidently across different grooming needs. Its unique advantage is AutoSense technology, which automatically adapts motor power to thicker hair for more efficient trimming than many competing all-in-one kits. Number 3. Panasonic ER-GB80. The Panasonic ER-GB80 Beard Hair and Body Trimmer is a versatile grooming tool built for precision, comfort, and long-lasting reliability. Its ultra-sharp stainless steel blades cut cleanly through different hair types, while remaining gentle on sensitive skin. The adjustable quick dial provides multiple cutting length settings, allowing easy customization for everything from light stubble to a full beard. Separate attachments make it suitable for beard, hair, and body grooming, giving users flexibility without switching to another device. The ergonomic handle offers a secure grip that improves control during detailed trimming. Its washable design allows quick cleaning under running water, making maintenance simple after every use. The rechargeable battery supplies dependable cordless performance for regular grooming sessions at home or while traveling. Every trim feels smooth, controlled, and accurate. What truly sets this model apart is its precision quick adjust dial that offers an exceptionally wide range of trimming lengths without constantly changing guide combs, making grooming faster and more convenient. Number 2. Braun All-in-One Series 9. The Braun All-in-One Series 9 delivers premium grooming performance for men who want maximum versatility in one high-quality device. Designed to handle beard, hair, body, ear, and nose grooming, it combines powerful cutting performance with impressive comfort. Braun's advanced AutoSense technology continuously adjusts motor output based on beard density, ensuring efficient trimming even through thick hair. The ProBlade system remains exceptionally sharp for long-lasting precision and clean results with fewer passes. Multiple premium attachments allow easy transitions between detailed styling and full-body grooming, while the ergonomic construction provides excellent balance and control. The long-lasting lithium-ion battery supports extended cordless use and convenient fast charging. Every trimming session feels smooth, powerful, and consistent, whether maintaining short stubble or creating a complete hairstyle. Its biggest advantage over competitors is the combination of AutoSense technology with Braun's ProBlade system, delivering consistently powerful performance across different hair types while maintaining impressive precision and user comfort. Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 stands out as one of the most complete all-in-one grooming kits available for men who expect professional quality at home. Built with durable self-sharpening stainless steel blades, it provides consistently precise trimming without requiring blade oil. The extensive collection of premium attachments allows effortless grooming for beard, hair, body, nose, ears, and detailed styling, making it suitable for virtually every grooming routine. Its solid metal handle offers a premium feel with excellent control, while the long-lasting lithium-ion battery delivers hours of cordless operation on a single charge. The washable attachments simplify cleaning and help maintain hygienic performance after every use. Every trim feels smooth, accurate, and comfortable, even on thicker facial hair. The overall build quality and versatility make it a dependable investment for long-term grooming. Its standout feature is the DualCut self-sharpening blade system combined with an extensive attachment collection, giving users exceptional precision, durability, and versatility that few grooming kits can match. Those were our picks for the top 5 best all-in-one grooming kits in 2026. Each one offers something unique, whether you want premium performance, maximum versatility, or outstanding everyday value. Hopefully this countdown helped narrow your search and made your next grooming upgrade a little easier. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Fact, and share your favorite grooming kit in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Tech Fact video with more top product recommendations.